Good morning, Room 14. How are you? I hope that you're good. And today we're doing a activity about animals that live in the rainforest. So I chose to do a snake, a paper snake. I think it's really cool. So let's see how this goes. Okay, here are the things that we're going to use. Scissors. We will also need a template I sent to you. We will need a magazine sheet, glue, some paint. I chose green and red and black. We'll also need something to put our paint on. You can use whatever recipient you have. Some Q-tips, this will help us paint. A black Sharpie and a piece of paper of any color that you choose. The first thing we're going to do is paste our template, that is the paper I sent you, on our magazine paper. So we will need some glue. I'm using some cold silicone, but you can use any glue that you would like. This will help our project to be more solid. So I will add some dots of glue and paste my paper. Next thing is we're going to put our paint on a recipient, and I chose black, red, some green, and some light green because I am using two colors for each of my snake. I will take also my Q-tips and I will paint with this. So I'm gonna take 3 of them for each color that I use. So I will get my template. I will choose 3 Q-tips, and on one of the sides, because the Q-tips have 2 sides, on one of them I will put my black paint. So I'm just gonna dip them on the black paint and then start putting them on my project. Dip them. You have to make sure when you press them on the paper they're a little bit separated so you can have different dots. If this is hard for you, you can also choose just one Q-tip and do one dot at a time. So I'm just gonna put dots, dots, dots all around. And I'm just gonna use more and more, and then I will switch to red color and do the same thing with new clean Q-tips. Once you're done, you will let your project dry. It has to be really dry so we can cut it out. After you let your project dry, you take the color paper that you chose and you will draw the tongue. I chose purple, so I'll take my Sharpie, do the tongue, and then cut it out. You can choose any color that you like, and you can also choose how long you want the tongue to be. You will set the tongue aside and you will take your project once that is dry. You will see there is an arrow, that means you will start cutting there. So you will take your scissors and you'll start cutting following the dotted line. You see it has a shape of a spiral, so you have to be very careful and pay a lot of attention. You will cut slowly on the dotted line until you get to the end. So it will have to look something like that. Now I'm going to do the eyes, so I will just take my Sharpie and do my eyes. I will then take my tongue and glue it on. This is how my snakes turned out. This is my black and red with my purple tongue, and this is my green and light green with my orange tongue. Remember, you can choose any color that you'd like, okay? And just play with them. I hope you like it, and I'll see you next time.